Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make the best chicken quesadillas. In case you just want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 2 pounds of chicken breast, your choice of flour tortillas, your choice of cheese. I'm using medium cheddar cheese, Monterey Jack cheese, and queso Oaxaca. A half a cup of crema mexicana, 2 tablespoons of mayo, 2 chopped jalapeños with 2 tablespoons of its juice, and all of our spices that I will link in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alrighty guys, so first we're going to start by cleaning out our chicken, and now we're just going to slice it in half. Okay, just like that. And we're just going to do the same process to all of our chicken breast. Now we're just going to season it with a little bit of black pepper, salt, and cumin. And I mix my salt and black pepper in this little container. Okay, and we're just going to add a little bit of cumin. Okay. Now just flip it over. And season the side. Alright, so once we have our chicken breast nice and seasoned, now we are ready to cook them. Alright, so now we're going to get our comal. We're going to set it on medium-high heat, and we're going to drizzle it with some olive oil. And we're just going to wait for the olive oil to heat up, and then we can begin cooking. Alright, so once our oil is hot, we're going to place our chicken breast. And we're going to cook each side for about 5 to 6 minutes. Alrighty guys, so after 5 minutes, we're going to flip our chicken breast over. And we're going to let that side cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. Alrighty guys, so after 6 minutes, we're going to remove our chicken breast from the comal. We're going to place them in a bowl. And make sure that you cover the bowl with foil. And we're just going to finish cooking the rest of our chicken breast. Alright guys, so once we're done cooking all of our chicken breast, we're just going to let it sit for 5 minutes, and meanwhile we can make our jalapeno sauce. Alright guys, so to make our jalapeno sauce, in a small bowl we're going to mix our crema mexicana, our mayo, our jalapeños and juice, we're going to add our onion flakes, ground cumin, garlic salt, cayenne pepper, and our chipotle pepper. So we're just going to mix it all together. And to that I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of chipotle sauce. Okay, so just mix it. Alright, so once we have our sauce, we can set it to the side until we're ready to make our quesadillas. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, we're going to cut our chicken breast into small strips. Look how juicy our chicken is. Okay, so that will be 1 quesadilla. So just repeat the same process to all of your chicken breast. Alright guys, so now to make our quesadillas, we're going to grab our comal. We're going to set it on low setting. We're going to place a tortilla. And just make sure that you warm it up both sides before you place the sauce. So now we're just going to place our sauce. And we're going to spread it all over the tortilla. Okay, so once we have that, now we're going to add our cheese blend. And we're just going to wait for the cheese to melt a little. Alright, so once the cheese has begun to melt, we're going to place our chicken breast on top of the cheese. And we're just going to add a little bit more cheese. And now we're just going to cover it. Alright, so now we're just going to wait for the cheese to completely melt, and then we will be ready to serve. Alright, so once the cheese has completely melted, now we are ready to serve. Alright guys, so once we're ready to enjoy our delicious chicken quesadilla, I'm going to be serving it with some guacamole, some sour cream, and my restaurant style salsa. Alright, and now we are ready to enjoy our delicious chicken quesadilla. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that these quesadillas are super easy to make, so delicious, full of flavor, so hope you give it a try. Seriously, super delicious. The chicken, the jalapeno sauce, everything is just perfect. The best. I'll make the best chicken quesadillas. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You